All right, folks. We are turning our attention to a remarkable young man who's going to be sharing his inspiring story as a single dad, emphasizing his resilience, his dedication, and the unique bond he shares with his beautiful pumpkin, Desmond Thomas, also known as Coolie.
I don't know why I can't
I'm not
know.
even gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Morning.
He's a
sir.
Coolie.
How you doing?
Morning, I'm fine. You?
Good to have you.
Hope you had a great Father's Day yesterday.
Yeah.
How
most
was
definitely.
it? What did you do?
Actually, I went to an award show at AC Hotel. So I got the award for most memorable moment, capture on camera.
That's the eternal father.
Yeah. Washing that river and bringing her to school. So feel good. Then just go home and sleep.
He's a Coolie.
Was it always your dream to be a dad? Was it always something in your plans?
Yes. Always. And I always said I grew in a broken home, which I don't want she to grow in a broken home. So certain things didn't work out, so I made the choice to keep her, guide her, love her, and protect her. Yeah.
Your own, I mean, let's say your upbringing can affect you two ways. You either become what you saw or you make a conscious decision that you will never do the same things.
Will never.
Raising a girl, though,
Rough.
being a girl dad. I
Rough.
mean, I don't know if there's really a difference. I've never raised a boy, but I hear them say being a girl dad is a different kind of
Yeah. Cause me have to wake up like 3 o'clock in the morning and play makeup, nail polish, it rough.
Why, Coolie, that's the worst part of your journey. You're not having a bad time at all.
Yeah. And actually for me, totally comfortable and happy with being a father and being here for her. Because the society we live in now, trust me,
Yeah.
have to firm.
You already said in response to Simone that you didn't want her to grow in a broken home, but you could have left. Why did you stay? Why did you decide that you're not going to go? Look at that. That's at 3 o'clock in the morning. Move that.
Watch her face now. Cheyenne say, I'm doing this work properly. What should I do now? Every day. That's not bad though. It looks good on you.
Yeah, but why did you stay?
To be honest, why I stay? It was always my dream to get a girl baby though. And going for at the hospital, seeing her and all of that, it changed me in many ways. And getting a girl child, it changed a lot and it say a lot. Because she teach me how to be patient, how to show love, right? And how to respect people. So at some point I didn't have none of that at all.
It was a bad boy?
Yeah. No, not like bad boy.
Yeah,
But, yeah, but getting she changed every single thing. So we just made the choice.
Is that
to
like
just
an
stay.
instant change, or do you have to like have a good conversation with yourself and work on it over time?
Well, for me, instant.
Really?
Instant. Love her, bad. Like life itself. Love her. But we can't take the talking sometimes.
Oh, she's 3, brother. What is she talking to you about?
She give a whole heap of talking. Like, she don't, alright, she don't grow around a lot of babies, you know.
Right.
So, you will see she a wash, spread out her panty there, man. That's
She's a
just
big
she,
woman.
yeah.
He's a big man.
And when she ready, she a pray, she a hallelujah. And she
But
full
that's
of
good.
drama. Yeah, she full of drama, bad. Like, she and like everybody favorite baby on TikTok. She a wash.
Where she get the drama from, Daddy? Because talking to you now, it is clear.
That's full of drama.
So, I mean, if she grow with you, it's obvious that she. But look at this little girl around the basin, like she's 3 going on 30. Tell me about some of the values you try to instill in her.
All right. The values. All right. So basically, I try to teach her to be independent. I try to teach her to be a lady from early. So the basic, washing her panty, that's the main thing. Clothes. Tons of things. What?
You cannot teach her to cook at 3.
No, I would teach her to cook, but not like big food. Small food. Yeah, look at rice, you know? Rice.
Right.
Rice.
Oh my gosh. Wow. So is it your hope to have more
Yeah.
children?
Oh,
Roughly about 7 more.
you want
Sorry?
7 more?
7 more.
Sorry?
Why?
Children?
Why?
Yeah.
You want 8 children?
Yeah.
8 girls?
Yeah. You know, like, I don't really want a boy pick.
You want 8 girls?
Yes. Boy pick in my family, them ugly.
Boy putting in your family ugly? Wait, let's go back. You want 8 children
Yeah.
in 2024?
No, like 20.
Yeah, I mean,
30,
no, but,
20,
but why 8? Are you from a big family? How many siblings you have?
6.
Jeez, okay. Hey, we want what you had. You want a lot of,
Yeah.
yeah.
Build a football side.
But with the girl
girls.
them?
World Cup.
Netball.
Yes.
How did it feel to receive this this award? Best father moment captured in video. Which one was it? The one where she was putting the makeup on you?
No, the one she wash.
Oh, she was
wash her
washing.
pant to the river. Yeah.
How does
Where
that
is
feel?
Shayana?
She there outside there.
Awesome.
Oh, we want her to
Wanna-
come inside.
wanna bring her
She
inside.
was here.
Bring Shayana.
Oh,
Let Shayana mash up the
man.
studio. Man.
Oh, man. What is your dream for her, Kool-Aid?
To be honest, I just want she to turn out to be a decent young lady. Make me proud. Yes, I swear. And me just ask Father God to make me live to see that happen.
Yeah.
What kind of help you get from the rest of the family? I think, grandma and stuff jump in.
Yeah, mainly, yeah, grandmother help and, help her with a lot of stuff for her.
Come in. Is it Cheyenne or
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne.
Shayana, go
Oh,
to daddy.
Lord. Watch out. Oh, straight to daddy. Oh, my.
Shayana. Oh, she's not in the nut with us.
That's too
Cheyenne.
adorable.
Can I get some of what you're eating, please?
Beggy, long time.
Hey, Shayana?
Say,
Shayana said no.
no. It's one thing daddy has not taught her is kind. A joke.
Shayana, can I get some, please?
Oh, she giving it to daddy.
Oh, you're giving it to
No,
daddy, so you're not giving me any?
I give him one. I go and give him one. Go on. Go on.
Shayana?
Yeah,
Shayana,
I know.
she
You
not
come
giving
out here and all these things?
Yeah, sometime.
Oh, you come out here.
Not this time.
Wait,
because
really?
beat it and...
Bead it?
Yeah,
Platinum bead?
yeah. Yeah, look on the social media platform.
I'm going
yeah.
to.
Shayana.
She don't interest.
That's
Yeah,
right. Every
what
time I
about-
say Shayana, she turn her around.
But you see the way she hold on to her father? She knows her dad is her
All
sister.
right, Shayana, I'm coming for that. You don't want to give him to me, I'm coming for it.
She's sweet bad though.
Yes,
Oh
she's
my
so nice.
gosh. Boy, let me tell you, we Desmond, we live in a in a society where we don't give a lot of kudos. Lift her up now, Papa, she wants to sit down and eat her. So Jamaican men, especially young Jamaican men who do right by their children. And so we salute you this morning for what you are doing for
Proud of your virgin. Shayana.
and how you're standing by her and how well you're doing by her and what you're doing for her.
Shayana coming for it,
And we wish you all the best with her. So.
Most
Where we see the videos? What's your social media handle?
Coolie and baby Shayna. And
Uli
TikTok.
and baby Shayana.
Shayana.
Right, let me- Shayana, can Auntie
Give
have
she
one?
Give auntie one.
Can I have one? Can Auntie? Oh! Hey! Oh! Thank you very much. I'm going to give it back to you. Thank you, baby.
Shayana.
Shayana is a good judge of... She's a good judge of character. Desmond is doing a good job.
Shayana said, you're not getting none.
Oh, oh my gosh.
All right, Desmond, proud of your virgin. Proud of you. And God bless you and Shayana. Shayana, I love you. Shayana.
She
Oh, I still love you. It's all right. I
don't
still
care. She don't care.
Shayana Thomas, Desmond Thomas, beautiful, beautiful. Thanks
Too
again,
nice.
virgin.
Too nice.
I love you, Shayana. I love you.
Staying with daddy.
Still not giving me none. All right.
One more break, folks. When we come back, we're making a fun stop. Guess who's joining us? This guy. Soon come.
Oh, they must know I'm their hero. I'll be there. Me want to share. Me and them have